Terry picked up a new Lombard dash light, and it's turned on right now. We'll be able to read maps now in the North Maine woods. Terry also restored a vacuum tank that lifts fuel higher than the engine and plumbed the whole thing in. Now we can go up hills. This Lombard has a mechanical hoist driven by the engine, and this shift lever makes it go up and down. Unfortunately, it's easily bumped, so Chris Ruby has designed a latching lever which will keep it in place. This lever is made from stainless steel. Beautiful workmanship by Chris. This is the installed dump lever lock, and it's staying in place very nicely. To work the dump, I've got to pull this lock to the left. To make it go up, I pull the shift lever backwards. And then let the clutch up. And to lower the dump truck, I push it the other way. And very nice. Now I can lock it. And we're safely locked. Nice job, Chris. Chris also designed a custom air filter for the Lombard intake. Very nice. This is the original Hercules 6 engine. Chris built an actual 1/12 size Lombard steam log hauler. You can see in the photo, and it's being featured in Live Steam magazine this year.
15, 5, 4,